Day before yesterday, what is the solution till today?
As you know that the regional committees have been formed and they will be having a discussion. Both the committees of both the state will have a discussion, then only a solution can be arrived. We can arrive to a solution. As we had a fruitful discussion yesterday with the DC West Jaintia Hills, where the council, the West Jaintia council members were also there. Means the main discontention is just because those people living there in Khanduli area, they think that it is their land, but as per our revenue record, it falls under West Karbingham district. So it has to be resolved amicably between both the state. Otherwise, this kind of incidents, this distrust will always be there. So our effort will be to instill confidence among the grassroots people who are living there. There will be more coordination with the police administration. We already had a good very coordination, but in the constabulary level there should be more coordination than the frequent visits of both the SPs of both the state or both the districts will be there, so that no such kind of incidents happens. Otherwise it is disturbing the peace and tranquility of the region. We'll try our best to dispel any kind of fear among the settlers or inhabitants of those areas. Thank you.
There are by the Khasi Pilar. So from just in front of our additional SP, but they have not given any lathi charge. So what?
As we said, our police force has to be prepared. They have to have the protection gears with them. At that time, although our police forces are there, we have asked them to restrain so that no such incidents happens, whatever happened in Mukro, so that we cannot we don't want to have this kind of incident again. So from our side there is restraints. That's why we didn't allow any force. Forcibly nothing is done on the crowd. But from the next time onwards, we are going to tackle crowds in a better way.
Yeah. So what?
That permanent solution with the both state has to meet, the regional committees have to meet. Then we have to bring the maps or whatever is there with the geological survey of India. So there all demarcation and boundaries are already there. So those maps will have to be consulted. Then between the two states, then only we can resolve the issue.
Like Muthade and Katkasla and also Khanduli and also part of Zonjinthong. So
some incidents are between, say, particularly two families, probably two families. So then when a third party intervenes, then they try to give it a different color. So we have to aware the people over there, so that if it is the incident between the two families, that they should resolve within them. There should not be any involvement of a third party in those areas.
Then regarding